David Hawkins, using the muscle testing and asking this question, create this map of consciousness from 0 to 1,000, where the calibration 20 gets people feel shame, humiliation, view of life miserable, God view despising, process elimination, and so on. And there is a very important turning point, which is 200, when people goes from all the negative level of consciousness, there are humiliation, shame, guilt, apathy, grief, fear, desire, anger, pride, to courage, which is 200, where those are the positive state of consciousness. Then there is another big, when we get to love, and so on. So you can find this map anywhere. But we are going to go back to this map whenever we need. But now, I am very intrigued to show you the perfect correlation between David Hawkins' map of consciousness and my findings on the field of energy healing. I used a pendulum, which is exactly equivalent to kinesiology, muscle testing. As David Hawkins experienced, our body follows our consciousness. Means that our body cannot lie. This is the principle of the lie detectors. People cannot lie. So I'm going to analyze Netanyahu. This pendulum has a chip there, but at least you can see it. And this is a drawing of the energy centers or chakras. If you have any question, people who are watching, you can ask me, and you can ask me to scan whatever you want. I have done videos of this. You can go back to my YouTube channel, Facebook, etc. So, but I ask, first I do a prayer for protection, so my scanning is not going to be interfere with any toxic energies. In general, I am in a good state, like right now. And I ask, what chakra Netanyahu needs help the most? I have to be very relaxed, and goes to the second chakra, which is the sexuality. Netanyahu held the most in the second chakra. What is the next one? Solar plexus. So the pendulum moves solar plexus, which is the willpower. What is the next chakra Netanyahu needs help? Heart chakra. What is the next one? The throat chakra. Regular people don't have energy blockages here and here. What is the next one? The spiritual eye. He has a big problem right now. What is the next one? The second chakra. When I come back to the first chakra, means that my questioning about where he needs help, which is a synonym where he has energy blockages or toxic energies, is completed. And now I'm going to ask how many and the kind of energy blockages that he has. How many superficial energy blockages Netanyahu has? 4, which is a little high. How many are toxic thought forms? 4. Toxic thought forms are the repetitive negative thinking that we all humans have. But having 4 is too much. I usually find 2 on people, 3 sometimes, but 4 is too much. What does it mean? He's thinking crap all the time, and he cannot get away from that. How many human spirit attachments? Ooh, how interesting that purple thing there. How many human spirit attachments? Now I know I use this as a numbers, 1 through 7. I can use a chart, but this is very convenient for me. And goes over the end of the scale. It goes over the 7. So, and I ask, more than 7? And this is a yes for me. When the pendulum goes forward and backward, it's a yes, and side to side is no. Okay, gives me more than 7. So, how many more than 7? And I just relax and goes to the number 4. 7 plus 4, 11. 11 energy blockages, which is too much. How many are alive? 4. How many of these 4 are relatives? Goes to 3. How many are women? 3. What is the total number of women in these 4 that are alive? 4. That means that he has an energy core with another person that is a woman. How many are spirits? Means humans that are in spirits that don't have a body, dead people. 7, and matches because 7 plus 4 is the 11 that I scanned before. So 7. From these 7, how many are from past lives? He has 4 spirit attachment from past life. 4, let me relax. 4, which is too much. From how many past lives? 5 past life, which is too much. What does it mean? That for 5 past life he has been doing the same evil things that he's doing now. That's what it means. For 5 freaking past life he is doing the same evil things. Okay, 4 spirit attachment from 5 lives, and I'm going to write down this because it's very important. How many are from this lifetime? 3. 4 plus 3, 7. From this 3, from this lifetime, how many years ago he acquired those things? More than 7. I never found a person with human spirit attachments or entities. It is why in Christianity they call demons. I call it entities. It's not a good term to call demons. That having this spirit attachment for more than 3, 4, 5, 6 years. It's more than 7 years. So how many more than 7? Goes to here is 12 years ago he had a big event in his life. How many of these spirits? Sometimes I ask how many months? More than 11 years. It gives me 6, so 11 years and a half. How many of these spirits, the 3, are from these 12 years? Okay, 3, so it's easy. How many non-human spirit attachments? 6, which is a little high. How many energy parasites? Wow, more than 7. How many more than 7? 12. That's insane. How many evil spirit attachment? This is big. 4. Evil spirit attachments is very, very serious. 4 evil spirit attachment. And now comes the $1 million question. I use this side for progressive people, this side for regressive. Is he progressive or regressive? Regressive, very, very quickly. Regressive is a person who connects consciously with the satanic forces. I'm going to write down this on every scanning that I do. Now I'm going to see the correlation with the David Hawkins. I'm going to ask what is the level of consciousness of Netanyahu, and this is going to be 1,900, etc. So I just relax. What is the level of consciousness of Netanyahu, the Prime Minister of Israel? Well, goes to 100, like 150, something like that. Okay, I'm going. It's more than 100. How much more than 100? I'm going to use this. This is going to be 0 to 100. So how much more than 100? 130. It goes to the 30. So the level of consciousness of Netanyahu is 130. And 130, according to the map of consciousness, is between desire and anger. Hate. Look at this. You see? This is a very hate. And that's what this evil person has. Hate against not just the Muslims of Iran, all the Gentiles, which is you and me. Because the Zionists believe they can control, they can abuse sexually the Gentiles. He has hate, antagonistic. This cannot be more precise. Antagonistic, vengeful. Look at this. It cannot be more precise. Aggression. Did you see the implications of this book and my work with the pendulum? This is amazing. So Netanyahu is between these two, is 130, is craving, disappointing, denying, enslavement. Also anger, hate, antagonistic, vengeful, and aggression. Oh my God, I am shocked. So let me see. And this is the conclusion of this very important video. Mr. Netanyahu, you still have hope. All these spirits that you have attached, they are controlling your mind. They are controlling your thoughts, actions, reactions, and mood. You are not free. You are not exercising your free will. If you hear that, somebody who knows you listens or watch this video, contact me. I can help you. Of course, if you stop connecting with these evil forces that you are connecting. For the amount of energy blockages that you have anxiety, probably panic attacks. You hear voices, the voices that are telling you what to do, all these evil things. So if you want to be free and live a happy life, I can help you. I can do a distance healing session. I do it for many clients. That's my conclusion.